Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm gonna explain you how we can make a plan in Dynamo without using Revit, and also I'm gonna explain you to do this with Excel file. This Excel file can produce by AI tools, and then we're gonna import it to here in our Dynamo and then make a plan for that. Before to go in detail, I'm gonna tell you uh, how we can easily make a wall. Yeah, here is a create wall. So by curve and height, let's click it here. For this one, what we need for this node, we have a curve, height, level, and wall type. So let's start with wall type. Wall type. Here we can choose what kind of walls we need. It doesn't matter. I will select this one as an example. Level, so it means we need level. Yeah, level. We're gonna know, okay, it's the first floor, second floor, which floor is that? And height. For height I need a number for sure. Yeah, number. It can be also a slide number if you want to change it. Then height. So I need a curve. It can say, okay, I need a line for that wall. Line by a start point and end point. Easy. So make it a line here. For I need a start point and end point. For point, I need to write here point by coordinates. One for the start point, another one for the end point. So I need x, y, z. Number, I will go with slider number. As an example, yeah, for x, make it 2. Okay, for y, for the endpoint also, and we need a 0 for z direction for sure. So let's see what we have. The start of our point started with x1 or 0. Let's make it 0 0, and this one is gonna be, for example, 10 10. It's gonna be our first line, and then we are gonna make a wall, but there is an error here. Why is this error? Because before we start with Dynamo, we had to check the unit in Revit. Let's back to Revit. Unit should be meter, and this one, okay. It says we need a height for that wall. Yeah, let's say 3 meters. Now we could create our wall here. Let's go to 3D view here, and it's interesting because when we change this slider, we can change the position of the first point, and then or in x direction, y direction, and make our wall bigger or smaller. Look at it, for example, like this. But if we copy all these things, first we make it a group, create group, and then we can copy this one to, for example, for second line, third line, and then to design a building, we need as a simple house, we need 1 2 3 4 exterior wall, and then we need some interior wall. So it's the method that we can do our plan with Dynamo. But something interesting for me, that we can we do it with some Excel file, with I don't know, getting this Excel from AI or not. I did that. I will show you how it works. I have this Excel file that is created by AI. I got it from AI. So plan Excel that I already created one, but I'm gonna explain you how we did that. And before we go with I want to delete this wall. Yeah. Okay, you see some lines here because we run the, let's make it manual because it's already run. So how we can import a file from Excel? Yeah, easy, right? Excel here, import Excel. I did it, yeah, but I will show you how you can do that. For Excel, we need file and sheet number. For file path, yeah, I need this file path to import our Excel file here, and then you need these nodes also here. I make a copy of that. You can do it like this to the file, and also make a string to find the sheet number. Yeah, for example, here is sheet 1, sheet name, and then you can write it here, sheet name, like as I did it here, sheet name. Yeah, I will delete this one. So here you got it, you got all information about your Excel file. And if you open it, this one, you can see in the index 0, list 0, we have var tab, start x, start y, and then end. It's like here, yeah, this part. And then the second one, it's exterior 0, 0, 0, and I mean it's a list, yeah, divided by different lists, yeah. But we're gonna play with that. Here I'm gonna use this node. Let's go with this one, yeah. List that get item at index. Here we're gonna get the index of 1, the first index, yeah. I mean this one, I need to get this one, sorry, this is index 0, here is index 1. I'm gonna get this one, index 1, yeah. If you look at the whole list, 0, index 1, I want to get the index 1. Exterior 0, 0, 12, 0, 0. It means exterior, it's a type of wall, for example, exterior wall, and then 0, 0, 0, it's the first point, and endpoint is 12, 0, 0. That's back here. So I got this index, this list here, and with these nodes, I could just filter the index 1. And then here I have a list. I created a list, and I wrote a Python script. I will open this one by Python, and then you can copy of the, this, make a snap tools, and then copy this one, and then add it to your Python script. Here, as you see here, input for us, it's things that I want to explain you here. We wrote a if statement. If it's exterior wall, make a list from the index sublist, yeah, from 1 to 4, 4 to 7, yeah, and separate it. I need two index, two list afterwards, yeah. Here, if you see here, it was exterior wall, yeah, and then if you see here, we have two lists, 0, 0, 0, 12, 0. It means I wanted to separate our 2 point, yeah, a start point and end point with this script. And then after that, here I wanted to make a start point with index 0. I mean the 0 index 0 for this list, and then number 1 list with list number 1, 12, 0, 0 as an endpoint. So here I got just indexed index 0, 0, 0, 0, and then here it's 1, and then if you see here we have 12, 0 to 0 as a endpoint. And then here, but I wanted to create a point from this list. And again, I wrote a script here. You can check it here, it's easy. Here I create a point with that list, and then I added this Python script to start point, end point, and we created a line. Here the result is line. As you can see here, our line has a start point 0 0 0 as a x y z, and end point 12 y 0 and then z 0. So great. This methodology, these things that we use it for, we created an Excel a line with that Excel file there. So if you copy this one and do it the similar things for another lines, exterior wall, yeah, and interior wall, we are gonna create a line for all of this wall that we're gonna create it, yeah. Just a simple point that I wanted, you see, I just copied all that group to another group here, index 4, index, this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means here when it's 5, I have to change something in Python script. Why? Because if you remember that in that script that I showed you before, it's I mentioned if it's exterior wall, do this, or let's open this one here. Yeah, if here we have to change it to interior wall. If it's interior wall, make it the sublist as I said, to make two different lists for two different points, start point, end point that I said. So just there is no point here that I want to mention it. It's similar. And then here it's really interesting, because when you connect this Excel file to the AI, or easily you can create your plans. As an example, yeah, easy, I can change, for example, from, I don't know, this point I want to make it this wall smaller. I have 1 2 3 4 exterior wall, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 interior wall. As you see here, it's something like that. So but, and then here, for example, if I change something in Excel file, for example, from this one I will make it 10 10 10 10. For sure you need to think about it, how, which part of that you should change it. I think about it before, but here, Control S to save. When you save it, it's gonna, and then click run here, you will see it. I will make it smaller. And when I went back to, for example, 12 12 12 12, what you should be aware about which point is that. For example, for this line, I have to change the length of this line, and move 2 meter this line to the right side. So again, Control S, run, it will back in the position that I want to have it. Here it's, for example, our house, and in the middle, I will show you here, I'm gonna make a bedroom here, and WC here, toilet here, and interior it's our floor. It's gonna here have our living room, and it's also, this part is gonna have a good view from the another side. So now I explained you how we can make a wall. Yeah, let's make it a wall for all these things that we have. I will do it, and